Can soldiers decline promotions? Vietnam, 1969. Rain pouring, mud everywhere. 3 sergeants, me, John, and Duncan, stuck in a flooded bunker. Cold, tired, and then comes the word, need volunteers for officer training, E4 or above. Voluntary, but not really. None of us wanted it. We weren't officer types. John said he was too important, Duncan started limping, and I was about to fake a head injury. Then Duncan points to Cherry, the new guy. College grad, just made E4, still called his rifle a weapon. Too green to know better. We pulled him in, talked it up like it was some elite mission. He bought it, signed the paper the next morning. Boom, gone. 30 years later, heard Cherry retired as a full colonel. Still wonder if he ever knew. He only became an officer because 3 lazy sergeants didn't want more paperwork in the rain. So yeah, you can say no to a promotion. Just make sure you're not the next Cherry.